Good evening. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is 6th April 2022 Wednesday. This is a Nifty chart, an end of day daily chart with the candlesticks plotted on it and a momentum indicator with two bands, the upper band and the lower band. This is today's price action, the last bar that I am circling with my mouse. You can see that the price action was all conducted in a narrow range. After a gap down, the market didn't go much lower, it just moved inside a narrow range and closed a little lower than the open. Now, the first point is, what is the momentum indicator telling us? The momentum indicator is still up. Remember, any indicator, whether it is momentum or moving average or any advanced indicator, and of course the earlier ones, they cannot match price. They will always lag, which means by one or two price candles. So maybe, as you see, the momentum indicator turned here, while the price actually had two white candles, and then we saw momentum turn up here. Similarly, it is not necessary that momentum will turn down today itself. So as far as the momentum indicator is concerned, it is above the upper band and it's still rising. So to that extent, the momentum says trend is still up, which is very reasonable. We are at 17,800 and we started from 15,650. So the trend should be up. What does price tell us? Price tells us a slightly different message. First of all, this gap has been filled up partially. I explained that this 17,800 is our price below which we will not go long. As the market is prone to do, it closed almost exactly at that support point. But the fact that it was unable to go higher, it was moving around that support point throughout the day, tells us that 17,800 support may break tomorrow. So what's the trade? A short-term intraday trade on the short side is possible. If the markets start going below the low of the first 15 minutes, then it is possible to take a short position tomorrow only for intraday and expect some downside. Keep a tight stop and also understand that it is possible that there may be a reversal of trend sometime during the day. Therefore, also be prepared to take small profits, whatever you can get. That's the view for tomorrow. The medium term view, which is, or let's say the view for the next few days, remains the same. The markets must break below 17,800 to tell us that this uptrend is entering into a correction. Once it enters into a correction, we will see how this works, but then I suspect 17,400 will become support. But apart from tomorrow, I do not have a larger view, so we'll take it one day at a time. For tomorrow, if the 15-minute low breaks, I would be prepared to take an intraday short position only. Have a great trading day. Enjoy yourself. Please do write comments. Jai Hind.